Alright, and I am back with the new releases on nutrition field. Some of new, some of not that new, but basically new to me, and I want to share them with you. So, I did not receive this one yet. I'm not sure if I picked it up because I have one package coming in shortly, but I just wanted to share with you this product, and that is the supplement that the whole food blend vitamins and minerals boost, and the item number is 2064, and the retail price is $40. So it includes the complex of vitamin B, A, C, D, E from the whole food sources. It's a 30-day supply of 21 vitamins and minerals to support overall your health, with ingredients to support bone, eye, immune function. This one does not include iron. So, and for pregnant women or nursing pregnant, we recommend to check the supplement list with your physician. But otherwise, so there is no iron, which is absolutely awesome because not everybody need iron. So basically you have all 21 vitamins and supplements that you need for your function and daily routine. We used to have the vitamins separated for men and for women, and this one covers both. So you can mix it with the water, you can mix it with your protein shake. I mean, basically it's a powder, dissolvable powder, and that that's how you can take your vitamins. You can put it in your food, whatever your option prefer. The other cool thing is that all the dietary supplements are in a mixable in Arbonne, which I absolutely love, because if you're taking your protein shake in the morning, you put your vitamins in there, you put your green balance or the probiotics, whatever you take it. You can take your energy fizzy or mind health fizzy, and it's all in powder, and you mix it with your protein shake, and in one food intake you took it all, and you are ready to work and to gym or whatever you go in with your day. So that saves a lot of hassle on taking the pills, putting them in the pill containers and da 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 da. So basically that's like really awesome shortcut in our busy lives. And another great thing for those who are having troubles on swallowing pills and capsules, that is another way to take your vitamins and supplements, and nobody get left behind. The other thing is, as I mentioned, the pregnant and nursing women, and basically the whole line of our products is based for people 18 and older, because kids developing and they need different nutritions. We do not, unless the doctor will say yes to these ingredients for your child, then go ahead and share it with your child. But otherwise, we do not recommend to share these products with the children, because they need to have the other ingredients and supplements than adults. Okay, so on that note, I already told you that there is the vitamins A and C and B, plus thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, biotin, the acids, the vitamin B12 contains so it's all in powder. So it's just the vitamin D3, calcium from the seaweed, magnesium from the sea water, the B vitamins from the quinoa sprouts. So of course it is non-GMO and gluten-free and vegan base. Okay, so how to use the 1 scoop to 8 ounce of cold or room temperature liquid. Take them with the food once daily. Okay, so if you want to know more ingredients, you can pull them up on the website. All our products have PDF file on all ingredients, run by your doctor if you have special health issues, what's not. Otherwise the product is absolutely phenomenal. Okay, so as a quiet reminder to myself and you all is this bottle, 32 ounce of liquid. That's you gonna need to take a day. Depends on weight. There is a scale of your weight. Otherwise, if you don't know how much water you gonna need to take, I will leave the link below. We were talking about it. You can visit the WebMD for doctor suggestion. Depends on woman, male, female, age, pregnant, what's not. The recommendation of physicians on how much water you're supposed to be taking in. Mind you, if you are drinking coffee, tea, caffeinated tea, regular tea, if you're drinking soda, all of those 3 things contain caffeine, and each time you are drinking a cup of coffee, you are -2 glasses of water. So instead of 32 ounces, you're gonna need to drink 16 more ounces of liquid water. Okay, so that is kind of sometimes an eye-opening for people who's like, I'm drinking water, but how many coffee you drink? 2 cups. Okay, so whatever water you drink, it doesn't count anymore because you already, you know, -4 cups of water a day. Okay, so that's just something to keep in mind. We have a beautiful, the caffeine-free cranberry herbal tea and a regular detox herbal tea that you probably have seen me shown. And the detox tea helps with my muscle aches, muscle and joint aches, and it's absolutely phenomenal. This one is another this is not a detox tea, but this is another herbal tea with a very nice fruity, cranberry flavor. Something to drink during the day to stay hydrated. Although it's caffeine free, any tea, even decaf tea, still has some caffeine in it, so keep that in mind. We had quite a rush on the strawberry flavor. So we have pomegranate and citrus as a permanent flavors in Arbonne. We used to have an green apple, blackberry, and now strawberry, one of those limited editions, and that was swooped off the shelves like in 2 weeks. So we are talking to our providers to get back and establish a permanent relationship with the strawberry and blackberry, and some people requested even apple, green apple fizz sticks. Okay, on the fizz sticks, I already did the videos on how to mix the fizz sticks. This is the product that fizzes out. So, and it gives you an energy, and it gives the flavor to your drink. And there is so many great things. So that stick goes to a pack of 8 ounces of water. You can stir it. Do not pour into a full water bottle, as a fizzing could cause an overflow. Enjoy 2 to 3 times per day. Absolutely amazing product. It has CoQ10, the vitamins B, 6, 12, chromium, sodium, potassium, caffeine from the green tea leaf extract and guarana seed extract. That's what give you the the buzz. So the fizz sticks are aiming on your hydration, helping you with your hydration, constant hydration. First of all, by flavoring your drinks, and second of all, by giving you that kick and punch of energy, helping you to ditch your bad coffee habits. Yes, I know a lot of people just threw an egg at me. Boo. Yeah, yes, ditch your coffee habits. That's the fizz sticks. Okay, so I'm super hyped up about this product. I'm gonna be drinking it right now with you because I am absolutely anxious about it. All right, if you are one of those ladies who are crazy about the skincare and the look of your face, and the glow, how fresh you look, so I'm one of those crazy lunatics. I actually did take powder collagen. Yes, I know it's not such a good thing, not a healthy thing to take, but I did take the powder collagen, and I was mixing it with my protein shakes. And from the Whole Foods, so at least it's not like something crazy. So what and the because with the age we are losing collagen, and that's why sometimes the people starting doing the fillers, using because you're losing the volume of your collagen, and that's because you losing the collagen in your skin. So your skin being stretched, then you lose the volume under the skin, so the skin starts wrinkling. So this particular product you can start taking after 20, because at 20 you already need to be in check with what's going on with your body. You already starting to age. So this is 20 and up. You can drink it daily. This is a new skin elixir collagen builder with a hyaluronic acid number 6105. The healthy skin within with Arbonne, and that is elixir. I do believe it's 30 sticks. Yes, 30 packs, so one per day, and the price is $55 per 30 sticks. Okay, so what does this formula, how in the world claiming that we are healthy company, and we are selling the collagen and with the hyaluronic acid. Okay, so basically we are not selling you the collagen that everybody else do. Okay, so we are our scientists and nutritionists know that the collagen that our body naturally produces, it is produced by the reaction of the hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. So in combination of those two ingredients, our body produces collagen. So what this skin elixir, if you will read it carefully, it is skin elixir collagen builder with hyaluronic acid. Okay, so basically what we are giving you a boost of elements that your body naturally builds collagen. We're not giving you a collagen. So when you're gonna take this, it's gonna boost in reaction in your body, and your own body will produce your own collagen. That's why we are putting this product in for you. So I'm super excited about this one. So, and the collagen helps build this strengthened skin and helping keeps it bounce and fresh. And basically we need to put the stick in 6 ounces of water and stir it. Hold on, I need to drink it. I got my water here. So meanwhile, hyaluronic acid helps to retain moisture to support and maintain the look of supple, radiant skin. See buckthorn power, pike bark extract, and vitamin C provide antioxidant protection and support collagen production, helping to neutralize free radicals and protect cells from oxidative stress. Biotin helps support and maintain healthy skin, hair, nails. A gutu cola leaf and stem extract maintains healthy circulation to help keep skin nourished from within. Okay, so they recommend to take it daily. It might clump, like with a little lumps, so try to kind of squash them, make them. So we didn't come up with the answer on those yet. So mix them well. So yeah, I am absolutely ecstatic about this product. So instead of swallowing collagen, now I'm gonna be drinking my elixir. It is a little bit refreshing. It's it is the acai flavor. It's kind of like soury fruit flavor. Yeah, soury fruit flavor. Very nice. I would say very nice. Alright, so on that note, I don't know how many videos that's gonna be, and I hope you stayed with me and listened to me, and I hope you are gonna try the products. If you need any help, you know where to find me. And on that note, stay healthy and beautiful with our products or not, and I will catch you later. Bye.